Our Chakan factory is one of 8 global competence centers located throughout the world. This state-of-the-art 89,000 square meter facility, inaugurated in 2013, is the heartbeat of our operations across Southeast Asia and Africa. Let's explore how this facility helps us create customer value. We are focused on the customer's needs first. Products carry our name, but your expectations. We have in-house research and development capabilities. We make industry-leading investments in innovation. We understand that all customers' needs are different. Our team is all about solutions. We focus on improving the customer's environment and minimizing the impact on the planet. The dedicated testing center is the key to the success of our products. Stringent tests are always carried out. We promise to bring you new and innovative products to enhance the productivity of your business at lowest cost of ownership over its lifetime. That is our promise to you.
Exceeding customer satisfaction is my constant goal. My focus is on creating products for you.
This is our forward-thinking philosophy. It's about anticipating and exceeding your future needs. From product design, energy requirements, and all aspects of service. Looking ahead and staying ahead is the only way we can ensure we are your long-term partner.